Okay, so I am choosing to play the game Donkey Kong. Um, okay, it's loading. Hopefully it loads. Here we go. Okay, trying to see if there's any instructions anywhere. Let's see. Click to load game. Click on the game window and hit the enter key to start the game. You can click on zoom to expand the game to a larger size. You can click on enable sound. If you grew up in the 80s, you shouldn't need additional gameplay instructions. Okay, I did not grow up in the 80s, so I definitely need instructions. Okay, it already started. Look, not sure. Alright, let's restart and zoom and enable some sound. Okay, not hearing any sound. Okay, it started. What do I do? Okay, if anyone's wondering, I'm trying to click. Okay, it's not listening to any of my commands. What on earth? Okay, I have absolutely no idea what's going on. I think I just lost. My keyboard, it's not letting me move anything, and I'm also not sure if I'm the Donkey Kong in this, or if I'm, oh, I guess the game ended. Okay. Well, I'm absolutely unsure of what this game entails. Okay, there's no start and stop, it just kind of goes, and it does not let you control anything. I truly don't understand this game, so I guess I'm just going to talk about the graphics. Upon first glance, this game looks extremely old. It looks like it was one of the probable first video games ever. The graphics are super pixelated, and it's really hard to even tell what the characters are. That doesn't look like the Donkey Kong that I knew as a kid growing up and playing all the games. I would say this game is pretty poor made and really doesn't compare to the games that we have now in the 21st century. It's just unclear as in instructions, it's unclear visuals. The game itself doesn't really make sense. It doesn't really show you if you can even add a player or what game. I don't really have much else to say in the sense that this game, I'm not sure how you even played this game. So I'm definitely doing my best to try to figure out how to do this, but there's just no directions here. So, yeah.